no go no. That now why we dey like to give you better informate. We go make your body day very kajad. This na still your health corner on top Good Morning Naija for Wazobia TV. And my name na Dr. Adaora. I trust say your weekend day very gang. Anyway, on Friday, I been sonchuna better gist concerning high blood pressure. So today, we won't continue the gist on top the gbege where this high blood pressure they cause for person body. Number one, person heart fit begin dey big. It go big like blom. It go come day weak unto say it they do plenty work pass as it they do before. So therefore, this thing now waiting oyibo they call heart failure. And this now when the heart no go fit they pump blood where in go need to make the body dey kajad. Another one be say all the blood vessels where they carry blood for a person inside kidney, it go become very narrow. So therefore, the plenty blood no go fit enter inside the kidney, and this one go lead to kidney failure. It no go fit they doing work well again. Some of the blood vessels where they inside the eye, they fit burst, begin they bleed. All this one are the badness where they follow hypertension if you not manage them well. Then we get two major ways where you fit manage this hypertension. The first one be say you go change your lifestyle. All the things where you they do now, you get some things where you they do where they bad for your body, where they cause this high blood pressure. You go change them. Then on top that one, another one be say your doctor will recommend some kind medicine. Then if you combine this healthy lifestyle habits as you they change, as you they live, come add them to the medicine where your doctor they give you if you need them. You go see say as you they make all these healthy decisions one by each, then go they help you make more good decisions where go help your body they kajad. Make you understand say the goal now to control your blood pressure. So if your doctor prescribe medicine and you do your own part, all these ones go help you. Make you they chop well. Not be eba for morning, eba for afternoon, eba for night. Ha! Your doctor fit recommend wetin oyibo they call dietary approaches to stop hypertension. Now eating plan if you get this high blood pressure. This one they focus on fruits, vegetable, all this fruit and vegetable. It not gets their importance not be here. Whole grains and other foods where they healthy for your heart and then they low in fat and cholesterol, plus including solids. Remember, say we talk, say this salt now be the major culprit for this area because our body they react to salt differently from Indo-Oyibo. So make you go block your doctor, make them forgive you, guide on the kind food where you go chop. They call this kind doctor nutritionists. We don't already talk, I'm saying you go chop fruits and vegetable, then you go chop fats. Food where not to get fats. Then you go chop things like fish chicken, white turkey, plus nuts. Make you they reduce red meat, all this beef. If you like cow tail, you like goat head, you like bush meat, not to they chop them. These ones they cause plenty kasala for inside body if you too chop them. Then make you they try run from sugar, and also make you not chop at all, but you go reduce them. All this plenty mineral anywhere where you go, you want drink mineral. If you want chop for money, mineral afternoon mineral. No, you know they do them. Make you reduce as you they drink them like once in a while. And that thing, as we don't talk before, reduce the salt where you they chop. See, oyibo and research people, they don't talk and say, make you they chop like 1 teaspoon of salt every day. Meaning say, salt and all those plenty spices where you they like to pack for your food, make you disappear them from inside your kitchen. If you want put, they put on small. Another thing be say, if you like to the gum bottle, alcohol, they increase blood pressure well. So make you not try yourself. Make you reduce as you they drink them. If you want drink them at all, if you not say if you not hook bottle you go die, make you not to drink. Another thing be say they do things we go make your body they ginger. They ginger your body, not to sit down for one place, you know. If not to stand up, just walk out for road. Maybe like 30 minutes to 1 hour. Or if you do your house like this and you get upstairs, you climb up, come down, climb up, come down. Instead, make you they enter lifts. You even feel they jog for road, or you feel they ride bicycle. All this one will do your body well. It gets some other things where some people where they call all these people where they help do exercise. Yes, they go teach you the kind of exercise where you suppose they do we go help your body. At least you go do like 60 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity per week. That's one now, all this big grammar. Say make you dey do 10 minutes of exercise. Yes, 10 minutes every day. It go do better thing for your body. Come make your blood pressure go down. Make sure say you know they take fat full everywhere for your body. In other words, not to the chop. Yes, if you dey look me so and you too like to the chop, reduce the food where you dey chop. They do chop small, small. Add that one to the exercise and it go bring your blood pressure down. Yes, but for you who don't already, you know, like say you full everywhere. You get as you go full everywhere, they go talk say this one now obesity. Oh, you go they try knock like 5 to 10% of this weight come out every year, because the more you they reduce, the more your blood pressure will come down. Then talk say if your body mass index is between 25 to 29.9, that one now overweight. And if now 30 plus, it don't be for you. So I beg, even if not 25, that one will help you to control your blood pressure. Then, for my brothers and sisters, people are like to be smoking a cigarette. Make una take them easy. They don't find out say this cigar, they make person blood pressure to the go up. So if you they smoke or you they chop tobacco, I beg, make you take style. Waka come out for that zone, because they use red eye. They scatter the blood vessels where they inside your body. It will come they mature any sickness where they your body. From there, your high blood pressure, it don't go up. If you they try to they smoking, stop them. And if they had you, make you go meet. You get some doctors where now their work be that. Plus some kind counselors, they go teach you how you go do them. Make you not for carry this thing enter grave. Then they package the kind hustle where you they hustle. No allow hustle to package you, because if you too hustle, they stress yourself. That one too, they cause increase in blood pressure. Another one be say, anybody wey see dog, see say in they shout, sheep go see am, e no go talk. So some people, they don't learn some kind exercise things where they call yoga, some they call them tai chi, some don't learn how to meditate, and then don't discover say all this one they reduce as your blood pressure go dey high. So you too try they do things where go make your body relax. If not to watch TV or play better music, or begin to they think better things. Anyone if it make you happy, begin they do them, and you go see say that's your blood pressure. You go carry leg, come down, only by itself, only in one. Go sit down. Now here we go, back break on top this blood pressure matter. I should say you don't learn one or two things. If you know say you get any question where you won't ask me, or you get any comments where you won't send, give me, just go gmns@wazobiatv.tv. Drop them for their fine health corner. Give me the message. I go answer you back. Now here I go, back break. Bye.